NASA's first Polar Resources ice mining experiment, also known as Prime-1, will robotically look for ice and other resources below the lunar surface. Thanks to data from spacecraft orbiting the Moon, scientists believe that the polar regions contain water ice in the form of ice just below the surface. With the right technologies, that ice is a game-changing resource that can be mined and used to produce propellant and breathable oxygen for future explorers. Under NASA's Commercial Lunar Payload Services initiative, the agency selected intuitive machines to fly and land Prime-1 on the Moon's south pole. Prime-1 will land near the Shackleton crater to drill into the lunar soil in an area that could contain water ice. Prime-1 is made up of two instruments, TRIDENT, the Regolith and Ice Drill for exploring new terrain, and MSolo, the Mass Spectrometer observing lunar operations. TRIDENT will drill up to 3 feet into the lunar surface, extract lunar soil, and bring it up to the surface. TRIDENT drills to its maximum depth in multiple phases, stopping at different increments. As it reaches each desired depth, it will pause and retract the drill string to deposit lunar soil on the surface for analysis. This is where MSolo comes in. MSolo is a commercial off-the-shelf mass spectrometer modified for spaceflight. It will evaluate the chemical elements and compounds released from the lunar soil for water and other chemical compounds. TRIDENT will then proceed to the next specified depth and repeat the process until samples at all desired depths have been analyzed for water. If no ice is found where Prime-1 lands, NASA will still collect valuable information about drilling into the lunar soil for a future mission. NASA's Viper, the Volatiles Investigating Polar Exploration rover, will use Prime-1 technology on a mobile robot that will navigate the Moon's south pole searching for additional resources. Prime-1 data will help NASA assess lunar resources to inform future Artemis missions and a robust human presence on the Moon.